Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a FaceTime call on so when you've created a reminder and then this reminder location is FaceTime, so you can just tap on the reminder and then there it says FaceTime, then you can just tap on join, and so the people you have invited will be in this call when the event has started. And when you share, so when the invitation is sent, the link is also sent, and other people could also join by tapping the link that you have sent to them. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.